Namaste and good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of Ask Swami. And now, Ask Swami is actually a book. So, first we'll present the book to Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharada and Swami Vivekananda, and then we'll unwrap it and take a look.
Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swami Tapapaya.
When I first came to the United States, about 10 years back, I was told that when Americans give you a gift, you have to unwrap it in front of them. Because in India, we do the other way around. We take it home and then unwrap it. So you have to unwrap it here. So I'll unwrap it right here. There it is. So this book has selections from the Ask Swami question answer sessions over the last several years with this theme is Vedanta in practice, practical Vedanta. And it's available on Amazon as a ebook for your Kindle, and you can order it as a paperback, and you can get it right here in the bookstore here too. Thanks to our wonderful team of the publications committee, a big team. Some are here, some all across the world. They've really worked. It's really their credit. They've worked so hard to get it done. And I'm told, thanks to modern technology, there is wonderful things like each chapter has this link. You can scan it, it'll take you to the video from which all this was taken. And the original ebook will have, of course, an actual link where you can click and go to the video. Wonders of technology. And I'm assured there is more down the pipeline, more to come. And this flash drive is what? The book, the ebook format. Yes. So a senior Swami once told me, we have two kinds of Swamis. Swami with a book and Swami without a book. And the Swami with a book is a pest because he always goes around promoting his books. So now I'm a Swami with a book.